Hi everyone, I'm here in my kitchen and I'm going to teach you today how to do a simple experiment to make your own indicator. So this is the equipment you're going to need. Some hot water, some sort of white towel. It can be kitchen towel, it could be a piece of filter paper, it could just be a normal piece of A4 paper, some sort of absorbent white thing, a sieve, 2 bowls, chopping board, knife, and then your indicator. So I'm going to use red cabbage, but you could use a variety of other things, beetroot, red onion skins. I'm going to put a full list up for you. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now I've chopped up my cabbage. I'm going to put it into my bowl. And be careful here because your hands will get all horrible and dirty. So put the cabbage in the bowl and then fill it up with the hot water. You can see that the water is taking colour already of the cabbage. So we're going to leave that there for a few minutes. Okay, so I've left it a few minutes. The longer you leave it, the better. I've left it for about 2 minutes, but if you leave it for 5 or more, it will be even better. And now we're going to sieve it out. So I'm just going to pour this through my sieve. Be careful, as it's still quite hot. Oh, look at that lovely colour. Okay, so what I've made here, kept up that, is basically some cabbage water. Okay, next step, get my piece of paper and I'm going to soak it in the water. Be careful because the water might still be hot. So I want to soak it all so that it all absorbs this, and then I'm just going to take it out and leave it on the side to dry. Okay, now while we wait for it to dry, you can go and collect a load of objects from around your house that are acids and alkalis. I'll put a full list on, but examples might be vinegar, lemon juice, some washing up liquid, some shampoo, soap, anything like that. So you want some liquids that you're gonna test. Okay, so we'll come back to this when it's all dried out. Okay, so I found my household chemicals. I've got a range of them here, and I've left my solution for a while. And I know that lemon juice, for example, I've got some lemon juice here, is about pH 2 or 3. I know that vinegar is also an acid, that's almost the same, about 3. I know that, what else have we got? Some shampoo. That's normally about between 5 and 7. We've got, what else have we got? Probably some soap is normally about a 9. Bicarbonate of soda, probably about 8. What else have we got there? Some drain unblocker, that's going to be the most alkaline there, probably about 13 or 14, and some bleach, maybe about 12. So I put them in order of the pH scale here, from the acids to the neutral-ish to the weak alkalines, and then the strong alkalis at the end. So I'm just going to test a few of these. I've just poured some into these small little jars. I'm just going to test a few of them and see what happens. Okay. So, see if I can do this one-handed. Maybe not. Okay. So let's put some lemon juice in here, see what happens. So it's blue when it's neutral. Oh, look at that. A lovely bright pink colour in an acid. Okay. Let's try something that's a bit closer to neutral. So I'll try my shampoo in here. Don't know what's going to happen. All right. Probably I'll mix that up a bit. Let's see. See if anything happens here. Oh, lovely. Nice bright purple colour. Okay. Now I've got my bicarbonate of soda, but obviously it needs to be liquid, so I've dissolved some here, so I can pour that in there. So this is a weakly alkaline. Mix that together. Stays quite blue. Almost the same colour, maybe a bit more bright blue, I suppose. And then let's try something that's right at the other end. I'll just have to put this down for a second. Okay, now I've managed to take the lid off. Let's try this. So we've got some drain unblocker. Let's see what happens with this. Put that in. Ooh, look at that. It went green and now it's gone sort of bright orangey colour. Okay. Very nice. So I'm actually interested to see what colour the bleach will go. So I've just found some more glasses here. I've put some more of my indicator from before in here, and I'm just going to pour the bleach in, see what happens with that. Now be careful with these, because obviously strong acids and strong alkalis are caustic and corrosive. So maybe use some gloves, or use some gloves, or ask a parent to do it for you, etc. So this is the bleach, very nice. So we've got the bright yellow at this end, the orange here, and then we'll try the soap and see what happens there, if anything. Squeeze some soap in there. Let's see. Oops. Very nice. Okay, so what have we got? We've got the acids here with the bright red colour. We've got a purple colour, then blue, then purple. This makes me think maybe this is a bit more alkaline than we thought. But we've got this, which we know is very weak alkaline. We've got the soap, we've got the bleach. Oh, that's gone very yellow now, actually, after we've left it for a minute. Let's put some more indicator in and see. And then we've got the very strong drain unblocker. You can see it goes green. That's obviously a weaker alkali, and then it goes almost yellowy orange almost immediately. So it's so strong, so be very careful with that one. Okay, so there's my indicator range for my household objects. Okay, now here's your extension. So earlier I said to put some paper in your indicator and then dry it out. So it's dried out now. It's not dried very well, and I had to use a hairdryer, but there we have it. And you can put some of your household items onto here and make a pretty sort of pattern. So I'm not advising that you pour unblocker onto stuff, and probably you should dilute it a bit first. I'm just going to pour some on and see what happens. I'm just going to try and make a pretty pattern on my indicator paper that I've made. That's too much bleach. Let's put some of this on, put some soap on, blob that around a bit. Put some of my bicarbonate of soda on. It's not coming out. Oops. Nice blue colour coming out there. Stick a bit of shampoo on. Blob this on. See what happens there. Might have to take a minute for it to work. Get some vinegar out. I haven't used this yet. So I'm going to use my straw for this one so I don't touch it. Don't want to get vinegary hands. Just drop this on. Oh, put that on the bicarbonate of soda, obviously. Bit of a neutralisation reaction going on. Well, I use my lemon juice and just squirt it over the top, see what happens. Beautiful mess. Then leave it to dry, and you should find that you've made a beautiful pattern. And here's one I made earlier. Da, 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 da. Da-da. I mean, that's not actually very beautiful, and I'm sure you can do a better job. So send me your submissions let me know what you got up to.